Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to Fashion World. The Muslims festival has come and gone, and everyone is back at work in full mood. And what a way to start the commencement of a working week after a brief holiday than to get maximum styles inspiration from lovely, simple, elegant, magnificent styles like this made with Ankara fabric. And there are some in it where that has patches of Ankara in them. These are lovely short and midi gown dresses for the beautiful, gorgeous, delectable fashionistas. The styles are awesome. There are styles that are suited for work and also suitable for comfort. If you put on any of the styles rolling by on your screen, you will be able to carry yourself freely and you will look so dazzling. You will look so elegant and like a chick putting on any of these to work. And they also double as styles that you can put on casual outing with your partner. Overall, they are lovely, beautiful, gorgeous styles that you will find highly irresistible by the time you finish watching this very video. And they are for every young, beautiful, gorgeous lady who loves to slay the best of African fashion in different ways. Unlike the video we brought to you yesterday, where we showcased the best of lace styles, and at the end of this video, you get to see that video pop up. But here, being a working week after the brief holiday, we decided to make it casual, very simple, and ready to wear styles. So enjoy it. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And if you are new to this platform, you are most definitely welcome to that broad spectrum on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Fashion World. Subscribe and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this very platform. And all props and credit in this video goes to those iconic fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and share this video with family and friends for us to able to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a blessed, fulfilling, and rewarding working week ahead. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go down.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.